In this video, I will show you how you can wear multiple hairs in Roblox. So make sure to hit the like button, comment if it worked, and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. So if you go into Roblox and go to your avatar section, you will see that it is not possible to equip multiple hairs. You will only be able to wear one type of hair, and that ruins diversity. So I will show you step by step on how to do this. Step 1. Go to Google and type the following: Chrome extension. Then when you press enter, you will have to click on this link, and this website is basically a huge marketplace to get yourself little add-ons for all types of games and platforms, including Roblox. Step 2. So once you go to the search bar at the top, you are going to type the following: BT Roblox, and you will click the one at the top with the red logo. And like you can see, this little add-on is an extension that aims to enhance Roblox's website experience. It appears to be completely legal and has a 4.2 out of 5-star rating. Step 3. Once you clicked on BT Roblox, you are going to click on the blue button which says Add to Chrome. Google will now ask you to confirm whether you want to add this extension to your browser, and don't worry, it is not a virus because I have tested this myself. Once you added the extension to your browser, it's time to go to step 4. So what you're going to do next is go to Google again and type the Roblox website. Then you'll click on the Roblox official website and sign into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can easily create one in the sign up section. And then the final step you have all been waiting for. Once you logged into your account, click on the 3 lines at the top and scroll to the avatar section. Once you are at the avatar section, you're going to click on head and body and then click on the hair section. After you did that, you can now officially add multiple hairs to your Roblox character. Yes guys, it is really that easy. It is completely legal, and I personally don't understand how this feature is still not in the main game. Do you think Roblox should add this feature into the game? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one.